Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update video backgrounds for performance-friendly UI, full guide step-by-step clearly. To begin, identify the current video background in your project. Review the specifications of the video to ensure it meets performance standards. Consider the resolution and file size of your current background video. Choose a more lightweight video format, such as WEBM or MP4, for better performance. Use video editing software to compress the existing background without sacrificing quality. Next, determine the optimal loop duration for your video background. A shorter loop can enhance performance while maintaining visual appeal. Once you have your new video, import it into your UI project. Replace the old video background with the new file in your project settings. Test the new video background in various environments to ensure compatibility. Pay attention to the load time and overall frame rate during testing. If the video is still too heavy, consider using a static image or a series of images as alternatives. Make sure to optimize your static backgrounds for quick loading. After updating, check how the video background interacts with other UI elements. Ensure that text readability is preserved over the video. Fine-tune the opacity of the video if necessary to enhance visibility. Finally, gather feedback from users to evaluate the effectiveness of the new background. Based on this feedback, make any additional adjustments to improve performance further. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.